It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. He slowly walked away, hobbled away. I know I got a good shot. I do know. He's just big, big, strong deer. I wish I waited another 5 yards, but you know how it is with these big bucks, man. You don't know when they're gonna figure it out. You don't know. Oh, there's another one walking. Wow. I think my emotions are settling down. So what happened was this tiny little 4-pointer that's broken up on one side. So he's coming from the west towards us, and the wind is blowing south to north. So he's coming west, and he's walking. And I'm just kind of tracking him with binoculars, and all of a sudden he stops in the grass, and I look to his left. I was like, oh my God, big rack. I think that's the guy from last year that I saw on the hill. So the little one runs away. The big one starts walking away from me going down south. So I start calling him. Start snort wheeze, nothing. Then I start using the buck tending calls. All of a sudden he stops, turns around, turns his head around, and I can't see him anymore. And then he shows up about 50 yards towards me. I was like, oh crap. So I set everything up, and he comes to the west of me, then he goes back to east, west. I had no idea. I kept moving camera left, moving right, moving left, far. Then for some reason my rangefinder wouldn't work. Let's see if that shit works. Ah, fuck, it works now. It just wouldn't work. So thankfully he comes right to the trail here. That's about 15 yards. This is this exact same spot that I shot the one last year. Exact same spot, but without calling. Oh, there's another one. Shit. Oh, that's another small buck. Holy crap. So it's been about 25 minutes since I shot him. I mean, you saw it. I mean, he went down, jumped up, the kick of death. But he walked away too far. I mean, that's 200 yards where I saw him going to the woods. So I'm gonna have to give him some more time. I hope that rage broadhead, I hope it cut him up good, man. I couldn't see the arrow sticking out of him, but I also couldn't find it here. So I'm gonna go down, pack up while it's still good light. I'm gonna be ready. Oh man, so it's almost 6 o'clock. 6:40 I think is the end of shooting hours, or 6:35. So I'll give him about 6:15, and then I think I can make it to the road by the time it gets dark, because he's running towards the road. I know this area very well, so let's hope I find it. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Even if this goes south, I'm gonna show it, just like I always do. Keeping it.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, I think I found him. I found him. Oh, I think this is the big one, dude. I think that's him. It is him. Yeah, it was a gut shot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here's the big bad boy from last night. My God, he has a little bit of ground shrinkage, but still not bad at all. Big G2, has a little kicker here, unbroken. I know by this left beam, that's the same guy that I saw up north, far, far away. What a hunt. This is the morning after, because last night I lost the blood trail, so I went home, I came back with my buddy Fikret. So we just kind of canvassed the area where I thought he's going to be, and we just kind of stumbled upon him pretty much. It looks like I shot a little too far back, so good thing I backed out last night. But there he is. It was what, October 30th yesterday? So that's it, our season is over. That's beautiful, man. I mean, I've seen him before. I've seen him last week, right after that big rain. I couldn't get him in, but last night it was perfect. I mean, I had wind blowing from him to me. Gave him a couple of grunts, the tending buck grunts, and he came right up. But he was zigzagging, going through the thickest of things, man. There was no way I had a shot until he stepped out. I mean, you can see on the camera, I'm shooting from the left of the view. I had a window about just a foot wide, and I put it in there, and I got him, my friends. I got him. Matthews Creed XS, Rage broadheads, and that's what's left of it. So the other half is in him. So we gotta haul them out and help Victor get one also. So thanks for hanging out. What a hunt. Amazing, crazy. Go Team Euramax.